The aim and objective of Pradhan, Mantri, Awas, Yojana has found some resonance with the beneficiaries at the grassroots in Meghalaya, with 4,696 already receiving the benefits of the targeted 7,850 households in West Khasi Hills. Here is a report.
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is an initiative by Government of India in which affordable housing will be provided to the urban poor with a target of building 20 million affordable houses by 31st of March 2022. In line with this, RNU DDK Shillong spoke to Assistant Program Officer in Charge PMAY West Khasi Hills Iban Pintengen Khasi Emle, who informed that since 2016-17 till date, 7,580 beneficiaries target 4,696 has been achieved and 2,884 were under progress.
And in the year 2020-21, the target is 2,468, and so far we've achieved only 20 numbers, and the ongoing houses are 2,448. And the sanctioned amount to all these financial years is 1,30,000.
Beneficiaries from Sopian village under Nongstoin block of West Khasi Hills district received the scheme in convergence with MG Rega. Darilin Thirnyang and Proster Malngal, both beneficiaries of the scheme from the village, appreciated the government for lending a hand to the poor and needy. They stated that without the support of the scheme, they could not be able to build a good house.
Yung sedang senam arajar katra, lawan pendap arajar kendai. Sabarok itu silap kuat.
It may be mentioned that the scheme was sanctioned at an amount of 1,30,000 through PMAY 2017-18, and the rest was funded by MG Rega. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.